Daniel once had everything: wealth, respect, and the applause of 100 strangers. Every room he entered seemed to confirm his worth, until silence reminded him otherwise. He built his life around status, awards, and the steady nods of approval he craved. Privately, his happiness hinged on how others saw him, not how he felt inside. There was an art to his performance: curated appearances, polite laughter, varnished certainty. From the outside he had it all. Inside he was quietly searching for meaning. Then the year arrived when everything he relied on began to unravel, quietly at first. A business that once pulsed with opportunity folded, leaving empty envelopes and unanswered calls. Accounts closed, partners vanished, and the applause that once echoed fell utterly silent. Friends he'd considered steadfast drifted away, their loyalties tied to his fortune. He watched his reputation erode as if sand slipping through stubborn fingers. One evening he stood with nothing but a small rented room and a single lamp. Alone before a cracked mirror he asked, "Who am I without money?" The question hung in the quiet, heavier than any accusation he'd heard before. In that stillness he began to see how much of him was performance. He realized he had built success, but never built himself. That admission was small and brutal, like clearing debris to find solid ground. He chose something simple: to start again without pomp, with honesty and patience. Days became study. He read old books and new ideas with hunger and humility. He worked in quiet places, learning trades and skills that had nothing to prove. Small acts of kindness became his currency. He helped neighbors, listened without judgment. He practiced being ordinary, and in that practice strength began to grow from within. Failures were now lessons, not public spectacles. He welcomed discomfort as a teacher. Slowly, confidence arrived unannounced, patient and steady, not loud but deeply rooted. Years later he walked through the town with no title, only a steady calm. He was not the richest man, nor did he seek applause. He carried peace instead. When asked about his life, he spoke of craft, friendships, and the work of becoming. Loss had not broken him, it had stripped away what was unessential and left truth. He had lost everything the world could measure, but he had finally found himself. True success, he realized, is not what you own. It is who you become. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like and subscribe to Voice of Stories for more powerful life lessons.